Okay, so what I'm gonna do really quick is go through my pairs and let's get this weekly analysis popping. Okay, what we got here? We got GBP, USD, GU. I'm looking at the daily chart for the GU. Now for the daily, it's already broken through this previously respected level of resistance that I had here based on this pin bar over here. So it's looking like GU is going to continue to sell. There were these pin bars down here as well, so that's an even further confirmation. But let's go down to the 4-hour. Steady rising, of course. It's getting close to that 70% mark for RSI, which means it could, after this bullish rally, hit a little retrace to the now support line and then continue up from there, to be honest. So that's on the 4-hour. That's my confirmation on the 4-hour. So like I said, it just might retrace to this level of support. This is forming this. On the 1-hour, it's forming this pin bar. This bearish pin bar right here. So I think what I'm going to do for GU is wait for it to come down a bit, wait for a better entry. Wait for a better entry on the 15-minute mark and then enter from there. Because it's looking like a buy. It's looking like it's going long. So what we got next? We got GJ next. Now GJ, let me go to the daily. See, I already got this shit marked up. So it looks like GJ already hit his little retrace to this previously respected support line. See, that's a strong pin bar right there. This is on the daily, so that's the previous day. That was Friday. It hit a pin bar. Let's see what the 4-hour is saying. So on the 4-hour, it's already come down to the support line. See that bullish engulfing, and I think it's gonna go up from there. It's looking like a buy. Oh, my bad. Hey, Stephanie. I'm honestly just practicing going live with practicing going live with my weekly analysis. So yeah, I think GJ is gonna continue to buy, but let me look at the 1-hour. Little bit of consolidation on the 1-hour. I see some gravestone, like a gravestone doji right there. Yeah, I think once it breaks this consolidation, I want to see if it goes down to this support line again and then shoots up. Because then from there, what I'm gonna do is again go on the 15-minute mark and look for a really good entry. I might enter when it gets down to 135.465 maybe. Yeah, that might be my entry right there. Gonna just mark that for now. I don't have the paid version of trading view, so I have to keep checking the charts instead of setting up a little alert. That's just on the 15-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to come down to 135.465 as the price, and then enter in for my buy. What we got next? Euro USD. I haven't looked at Euro USD in a minute. I had this line marked a while ago, or I guess not that long ago. It's just been climbing ever since. What's the 21st? Yeah, the 21st of July. So just last week. But yeah, it's just been climbing ever since. Let me go to the daily. Dang. This really shot up. It would have been better for me to enter on the 21st. Well, let's see what we'll do from here. So it's been at this area before. Last time I was at this area was back in 2018. That's crazy. That is crazy. I'm gonna grab a horizontal line from over here real quick and mark that. Because it looks like every time it came up here, price rejected once it got up to there, even though that was when it was in a downtrend. I think price is gonna keep climbing. Yeah, I think price is gonna keep climbing up to, what's this price right here? This 1.17995. Yeah, I think it's gonna keep climbing up to there. So that's a good That's a good 90 or so pips. Yeah, a little over 90 pips. I think it's gonna keep climbing. See what it's doing over here. That's crazy. Days range. Showing a buy from the technicals. Yeah, at this point, since it's past here, I don't think it's gonna retrace. I mean, it could, but I think it's gonna make it. I think it's gonna make it these other 90 pips to the support line.
About the whole trend.
Oh. So yeah, let me mark this really quick with a little trend line. Even though this is on the daily. Let me not move too quickly. Let me go to the 4-hour. See what it's doing on the 4-hour. I mean, price isn't going down necessarily, but it is it's kind of forming this little pin bar. I would see what it looks like when this closes, even though it's in an uptrend. What this pin bar would tell me is that I could wait until it comes down for a better entry before re-entering for the continued buy. Yeah, okay, so on the 1 hour, it just formed this, I have to wait until this candle closes, but it's looking like it's forming this shooting star or evening star pattern already. You can see it's overbought. You can see from the RSI it's overbought. It's at 76. Oh wait, it's at 73%. So what I want to do is wait for this candle to close, see what the next candle is, see if it's bearish or bullish, and then enter off of that next candle in the 1 hour. So that's 2 hours from now. Let's see what the 15-minute is saying. Okay. Yeah, that's the evening star, even on the 15-minute mark. And it's coming down from being overbought, looking at the RSI. Yeah, so what I would do from here is I wouldn't just jump in. I would just wait for a better entry for my buy. Man, some people make this shit look easy. I mean, basically is. Let's be real. Gold. I'm not even gonna look at gold. Look at this. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I entered earlier on gold. I entered when the price was at 19. You can see the price from there. I entered when the price was at 19.14, and I exited when it got past the 20s, 1920s. Like gold, you're not taking my little bit of coins today. So gold is looking like a buy. And to be honest, from economic standpoint, let's look at the US dollar. Let's see how the dollar is looking. The dollar is steady in a downtrend, and even with market open, it's down 0.26%, 32 points already. So as the dollar, I'm on the US dollar index right now. US dollar right now. And you can see it's on this steady downtrend. So as the dollar continues to go down and shoot down, gold is going to continue to rise. Because when people aren't investing their money into the dollar, they're investing their money into gold. As soon as they take that shit out the dollar, they're putting it into gold. So yeah, I think gold is gonna keep rising. I don't see any real sign of the dollar turning around. It's just getting weaker and weaker. Not anytime soon, at least. And I know this week there was some information about what was it? Banks accepting crypto as a valid form of payment or something like that. It was some sort of crypto information. So honestly, I want to get onto cryptos. I really want to get onto cryptos. I haven't practiced with cryptos before, but I want to see what cryptos are about. And just as a side note, what I'm going to be doing is this 90 day challenge. So for the 90 day challenge, I'm going to be trading for 90 days straight, and it's going to be recording my earnings, and I'm going to be starting with $1,000. My goal, I need to determine like my monetary goal from that, but it is starting with $1,000. And real quick, I'm gonna be doing this on demo. But yeah, so for the first 30 days of this challenge is gonna be me trading 30 days straight. And when I say 30 days straight, I'm talking 30 days straight. Like I'm talking about Sunday to Sunday, 24/7. I'm gonna be trading every single day. Now I know that there is a such thing as over trading. So when it comes to over trading, like if I feel myself getting mentally exhausted or any sort of negative feeling that kind of clouds my judgment when it comes to trading, I may take a break, but what I want to do is at least trade once a day. My ultimate goal is to trade 5 to 7 times a day, but I do want to trade at least once a day if it gets to the point where I feel like I'm over trading. And some other things for this little challenge that I'm doing, I made it up myself, but I'm going to be trading my main pairs, which are normally GBP pairs, some JPY pairs. I'm going to be trading one, one metal. So my one metal is gold. And then for indices, I'm going to be trading NAS 100, SPX 500, and US 30. Those are the indices that I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be focusing on trading currency pairs mainly, though. Like that's what this challenge is all about for me. At least in the first 30 days. I might do another challenge after I do this 90-day challenge where I do have a month where I'm just trading indices and metals and commodities, anything like that. But for this in particular, I want to focus on currency pairs. So that's pretty much it for this. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I hope everyone has a good trading week. Thank you. Bye.